grass and having some fun. Big brown eyes and a tail that sways. She gives us milk most every day.
Cluck, cluck, says the hen on the farm, packing for corn with feathery charm. She lays her eggs in a cozy nest, then sits on top to take a rest.
Oink, oink, says the pig in the pen, rolling in mud again and again. He's pink and round and loves to play, snorting and smiling all the day. Bark goes the woolly sheep, jumping a fence in one big leap. Soft white coat from head to toe, she gives us wool to keep us warm in snow.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof, barks the puppy with glee, running around so wild and free. He wags his tail and licks your face, a loyal friend in any place.
Meow, meow, sings the sneaky cat, curled on the couch or chasing a rat. She stretches long and softly purrs. She loves to nap on blankets and furs.
Neigh, neigh, says the horse so proud, galloping fast and neighing loud. With flowing mane and strong long legs, he trots and dances, lifts and begs. Rabbit, rabbit, croaks the frog so green, jumping high and staying unseen. He loves the pond and lily